Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news, gist happening around. For first time viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell button to get new notification. Happening today, Mayorkun reported the whole DMW label to Davido. I wonder why. Come with me while I reveal this to you. Top Nigerian pop singer Mayorkun has reported the whole Davido Music Worldwide label team to the boss himself, Davido, over certain issues. The singer, who in the past has won the highly coveted Eddie's Next Rated Award, is reporting the label to the boss because they won't allow him put out 20 songs in just a year. Wow. Mayorkun said this in the caption of a photo he posted on popular social network Instagram. He posted a photo which shows him speaking to Davido and his face looks furious while Davido looks like a listener in the picture. I'm sure I reported Peruzzi too and all of the other members of the crew.